What is going on, everyone? Oniaom here, and today I'll be showing you how to run Microsoft Virtual PC on Windows 8. And as you can see, this is just a full virtual machine running on virtual PC, as you can see over there. It's just updating. This is not fake, and it does work. As you can see, this is Windows 95 second edition, and I'm gonna show you right now how to do it. So first of all, what we're gonna need to do, let me just go ahead and fix that. What we're gonna need to do is basically go ahead and download Microsoft Virtual PC. Now, just go ahead into my description where you can find the download link, and you will be able to download Microsoft Virtual PC. Now, after you have downloaded it, it's gonna be setup.exe. Now, look at that. Look what happens when you just try and run setup by itself. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. As you can see, it just pops up with a prompt, and we get a compatibility issue. That also works on Windows 7. What you're gonna need to do is just rename it to whatever you want. So VPC setup. And if we double click it right now, we will get the prompt, and we will be basically able to install Microsoft Virtual PC. So just wait for the setup to open. As you can see, we get no errors whatsoever. Here we go, Microsoft Virtual PC Setup Wizard. You can basically go ahead and install this. Now, after you have installed this, you will notice that there is no shortcut on the desktop. So what we're gonna need to do is just go ahead and search for virtual. And as you can see, we're gonna pop up the search box right here, and it will basically appear with Microsoft Virtual PC. We need to right click on Microsoft Virtual PC and then go ahead and open file location. Now we'll see this is not the real file location, it's just a shortcut pointing to another file. So we're gonna do this once more, open file location, and here we go. Now what we're gonna need to do is just rename it to Microsoft Virtual PC 2007. Just rename whatever it was to this name, Microsoft Virtual PC 2007, and go ahead and create a shortcut on your desktop or whatever you want. For this, I'm just gonna go ahead and create a shortcut right here. Now there will be one more problem, and that is that you will get BOSDs when running a virtual machine. Created or not, pre-built or not, or you're trying to build it, they will not work at all. You will get just BOSDs, and you will basically crash. To solve this, just go ahead and download the Microsoft Phone SDK, which was right about here, and I don't see it. But if we go ahead to the internet, we should be able to see Microsoft Phone SDK, which always will be in the description. So Windows Phone SDK, and we should be able, here we go. You can go ahead into my description, we can find this download link. It'll be SDK 8.0, it's gonna be something with full setup, something like that. Let's just go ahead and download this. Here we go, WP Express full.exe. Just go ahead and click on save, and it should be able to download real quickly, and then just go ahead and click on run and wait until it installs. Now it might take some time, and I gotta say it's worth your time. Just wait for it to finish installing, and you should be able to basically get up and running on Microsoft Virtual PC. Now, if it doesn't work, you will need to get into my description again, where you can find a vmm.sys. Yeah, that sounds weird, but anyways, you'll get a vmm.sys, which you can basically go ahead and put in into your C, Windows drivers, no, System32 drivers, here we go, System32 drivers, and as you can see, there is a vmm.sys, and just go ahead and rename it or copy it somewhere else, or like go ahead and do this, rename vmm.sys or sys into vmm, and or like one or whatever you want. Just rename it to something else that you can easily find later, and then copy and paste the other from our description, the other vmm.sys or scys to your System32 drivers folder. Now you should be able to get up and running, and this is not a fake. I said it at the start, in the beginning, but this is not fake. Here we go, Virtual PC. Just to show you, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on start. We should be able to see the BIOS thing, and then we should be able to start the VM. Now as you can see, I've pre-built the virtual machine, so I didn't need to reinstall it on this, but you can always go ahead and or install a new instance or do something else in the VPC console, and as you can see, it just works. So yeah, that's all about this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and yeah, so that's all about it. Thanks for watching.